What's up, friends? In today's video I'm going to show you how to check an Instagram profile bio. Right, so once you're inside Instagram, guys, if you come across any profile that you might find interesting, let's take this one for example. Right, in order to see the bio, you want to click on the profile name on the top left hand side of that particular post. And right at the top there, guys, you can find just below the profile picture and those data, which is posts, followers, and following. Below that, you will find the bio. So any information that you see just below this data is the bio, right? Here, people are putting what their page is about, and also most times you will find them adding links there, whether it's to their personal shop or their website, or whether it is to a particular product that they're trying to advertise. You name it, they will have this information within their bio, right? Now, in order to edit this, let's say you want to view your bio as well and you like to add something there, you want to click on your profile picture on the lower right hand side. And you will find the same data there, which is your profile picture towards the left side, your post, your followers, and following. And just below your profile name or your username, you have the description there of a bio. You can see that I have a link there, which is a link to the YouTube channel, and I can also add more link. Now, in order to add links there, all you have to do is just simply click edit profile, and once you click edit profile, you will find all the necessary information here underneath your bio. So if you scroll down a bit, you will see the section that says link. You can click on that and you can click add external link. You can even add a Facebook profile as well here. So if you tap on add external link, you just need to put in the URL and also the title and hit that blue button on the uppermost right hand side. Right, so hit that check mark on the uppermost right hand side and you'll be able to add that link there into your bio. And you can add information there. You can edit the name, you can add whatever you need. As you see here, this is all the information that will modify your bio or create the bio that you need. And that's all there is to it, guys. This is very easy and very simple.